F-35C Lightning II. Group, multi-role fighters. Status, active. Also known as F-35CV, Joint Strike Fighter, JSF. Origin, United States of America. Contractors, Lockheed Martin, BAE Systems, Northrop Grumman. Initial operational capability, IOC, March 28, 2019. First flight, June 6, 2010. Total production, 139. Unitary cost, $122 million US. The carrier-based, CV, F-35C was developed to replace the F-18C, D. On board the U.S. Navy's aircraft carriers, the F-35C aircraft features larger wings and greater wing area as well as larger tail control surfaces for low-speed aircraft carrier operations. It also features strengthened landing gear and airframe to handle the loads associated with catapult launch and arrested landing operations. A refueling probe on the right side of the forward fuselage has been provided to the F-35C instead of the hose and dogue used by the F-35A. The United Kingdom's Royal Air Force and Navy studied the possibility of purchasing the F-35C variant but finally opted for the USMC F-35B STOVL aircraft. The F-35C performed its maiden flight on June 6, 2010, and is expected to achieve initial operational capability, IOC, and the 2018 to 2020 timeframe. The U.S. Navy plans call for the procurement of 260 aircraft and the U.S. Marine Corps plans call for the acquisition of 80 F-35Cs, replacing its F-18C DS operating. From the U.S. Navy's aircraft carriers, no export orders are expected for the F-35C. Specifications: Crew 1. External stations 6. Internal stations 4. Number of engines 1. Service life flight hours 8,000. Sorties a day 0. Area: radar cross section RCS 0.10 square meter. Wing area 668 square foot. Dimensions: height 14.7 foot. Length 51.5 foot. Main gun caliber 25 mm. Wingspan 43 foot. G load: max maneuvering load factor 7.5 G. Mass: empty weight 34,800 pound. Fuel load 19,750 pound. Max takeoff thrust 40,000 pound. Max takeoff weight 70,000 pound. Payload negative 18,000 pound. Percentage: availability 37%. Performance: ceiling 60,000 foot. Max range 1,200 nautical mile. Radius of operation 600 nautical mile. Speed: top speed at high altitude 1.6 Mach. Air-to-air missiles: AIM-120D AMRAAM-2. Anti-ship missiles: JSM-2. Bombs: GBU-12 Paveway 2. GBU-49 Paveway 2. GBU-53B Stormbreaker 2. Communications devices: and ASQ-242. Fighter aircraft engines: F-135 PW-100. F-136. Helmets: F-35 HMDS. JSF HMD. Jamming systems: and ASQ-239. Medium caliber cannons: GAU-22A. Optronic systems: EODAS. EOTS. Radar systems: and the APG-81. Air-to-air missiles: AIM-120C5 C7-2. AIM-9X2 Sidewinder 2. Anti-radiation missiles: AGM-88G ARGMR-2. Anti-ship missiles: AGM-158C RASM-2. Bombs: B-61 Mod 12. GBU-31 JDAM-2. GBU-32 JDAM-2. Cruise missiles: AGM-158B JASSM-ER-2. Decoy systems: NAL-70. Optronic systems: Next Generation DAS. Radar systems: and APG-85. Standoff weapons: AGM-154C-1-2. HAWC-2. Operators. United Kingdom cancelled 138 F-35. The purchase of the F-35B by the Royal Navy and Royal Air Force was dumped in October 2010 due to UK's Strategic Defence and Security Review favouring the purchase of the carrier-based F-35C. As of early 2012, the UK was set to buy 50 F-35C worth £5 billion by 2020 or beyond. In May 2012, the UK MOD announced its intention to switch to the F-35B STOVL aircraft. United States of America active 139. The United States Navy will take delivery of 260 airplanes, 273 airplanes in 2019, and the U.S. Marine Corps will take delivery of the remaining 80 airplanes, 2019. So far 139 aircraft have been ordered under